Hey guys, want to know how to use example prompts in order to create Ghibli art using ChatGPT? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up ghibliart.ai, and once you're there, make sure you are logged in. And on the top right corner right here, you can see your profile. You can either click on dashboard or just simply click on try for free, that is right here. Once you have clicked on the dashboard, on the left side, you can see the process. Now first up, upload any image that you like. And once you've done that, you should write the prompt. But instead of writing the prompt manually, you can write example prompt. Just write on the prompt right here, you can see example prompts. You can write it anything that you like. So let me just select one of these. And you can also add additional prompt of your like. So I have just selected this example prompt writer and added some additional prompts. And once you've done, just simply click on generate Ghibli image and check this captcha. And after a while, your image will be generated. And there you have it. Your image has been generated just like that, and you can download it by pressing this button right here. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.